Good morning, Africans. How are you, Africans? I hope you guys are doing well. I'm well, guys. I hope you guys had a good weekend. You were safe. You are still intact. You are still in one piece. We need you, Africans. We need you. We still got a lot to do, Africans. Okay, Africans. Today we'll be talking about Mavusa Msimang versus Jacob Zuma. Right? Jacob Zuma has been expelled by the ANC. I think we all woke up to the news now that the ANC has expelled Jacob Zuma, right? And then on Newsroom Africa this morning, they interviewed Mavusa Msimang. I mean, he is a man who has always had this hatred for Jacob Zuma, like serious hatred for Jacob Zuma. And as you would predict, I mean, it's predictable. He went to town about how horrible Jacob Zuma is and how much the ANC had wasted time in expelling Jacob Zuma, right? So I want us to do the comparisons, right? Because